it is illegal to produce products and services that discriminate against certain groups of users, typically those with disabilities or those of older age. But that's really just the tip of the iceberg. The thing is that we can't use personas to represent this vast range of user skills and abilities. Now, there are things we can do. We have to recognize that a disability in particular has its solutions, and there are many, many ways of making systems more usable by those with either long-term or short-term impairments. This is one of the big issues with disability, that almost everybody in their lives have got some kind of disability at some time. So the WCAG from the World Wide Web Consortium, if you comply with those guidelines, and you have a very good chance of making sure that your systems will work for some of these less abled people. When we're talking about people with lower skills, then using simple English, using a simple structure, having a clear conceptual model that's well communicated through the interface, all helps people who really are perhaps just not getting it. They're not that advanced in their use of technology, or they simply haven't been using the kind of application that you're now presenting them with. So we can make adjustments. We can address people with these reduced skills and abilities. Gestures, not fond because touchscreens don't like older people because of their dry skin. And in some cases, in many cases, to be honest, older users start to lose manual dexterity, so things like gestures become problematic. Younger children can struggle with the motor skills required. I suspect they're getting better and better at this, but you still might need to be very careful about what you do for anyone who's maybe under the age of 10 or 12.